As you can tell, it is it's blizzard. Blizzard did. Check it out. I literally have ice on my, oh my god. That's probably, you think that's good for the paint or what? Bro, chill. I literally have ice on my wheel. Boys, my hands are literally frozen. I cannot feel anything right now, but our plan is to go get something to eat. It's super late. We slept in late because we were up late last night. It is, it's about 3 o'clock, so it gets dark pretty soon, but we haven't eaten lunch, so we gotta find something to eat. But who's ready for a real cold start? This is cream of the crop cold starts right here. Neither of us have ever driven in snow or ice before, so we're both rear wheel drive, both have summer tires. Go ahead and start praying. All right, it's my turn. You take the camera. So your door's stuck? Well, don't rip it off.
I've got to come open.
Oh no, you're good in the back. Whoa!
So Nissan Z's have a good thing for the rear hatch leaking. So it leaked last night. My seatbelt has ice on it. What the f, Nissan?
Oh my god, there's like a snowstorm right here. What? What am I driving through? Stay tuned, boys. We're having a dragon snow day. Change of plans. We're actually going down to the dam right now because it's already 5:20 and we want to get some photos and stuff before it gets dark. So we're heading down this way to the dam. Tail the dragon's back that way. So we're gonna go to the dam, come back, run the dragon down or up. I don't know which way is which. Go to the parkway, get some more photos, and then run the dragon till it gets dark. So that's our plan today. We're gonna run and hopefully not see any ice on the way to the dam. I figured that if we're in the mountains and the roads are too unsafe to drive on, more than likely they'd close the road, right? So we should be okay, but it's like a winter wonderland out here, guys. It's very, very pretty. Look at this. This is awesome. Lowered my tire pressures a lot, so maybe that'll help a little bit. I really liked my setup yesterday running the dragon. It felt really planted and it turned in good. Didn't oversteer, didn't understeer. So yeah, I haven't even touched my coilovers since I've been here. So happy with the way that's set up, but I just had to drop my tire pressures, especially today because of the cold. Man, dude, this is so awesome. My ears are popping. Whoa, it's getting bumpy. This road's really fun. It's called Moonshiner 28. It's right beside the end of the dragon, so. Now we're moving a little bit. Dude, I thought that was a cop. That guy, oh my God. The asshole really said, yeah, let's put a light bar on the top of my Ram that looks exactly like a sheriff and light bars on the sides, just like a spotlight, and a blue stripe. If you guys watched yesterday's video, we went up to the Skyway and that's at 5,000 feet elevation, which is extremely high. So I wonder how iced those roads are. I was talking to somebody and he said that they never close that road ever, even during snowstorms like this. So, but we're definitely not going on that. That's probably so sketch. Yeah, the roads are looking okay so far. A lot of the snow has melted from this morning, because this morning it was snowing till like 11, I think. Ooh, there's some shit down here. Please don't. Oh, I thought I was gonna scrape my underside on that. Oh, now the snow's melted here because of the sun. Oh my God. Oh, dude, did you see that boat ramp we passed? They have a special place just for Challengers and Chargers, dude. There's a boat ramp.
Yeah, I think I got a flat.
You think you have a flat?
Yeah.
What the f you mean you think you have a flat?
Coming to that last little straight. That shit was just
Yeah, mine was too, is the road.
You sure? It just felt like it was like not normal. And I slowed down, picked up, it was too.
Well, was it bouncing or was it making noise?
It felt like
if it was flat, I would have been like.
Yeah, no, it wasn't doing that, but it did feel like a flat.
Well, get my pressure gauge and put it on there and see.
It was at 28 back there. 28.
Yeah, that road was bouncy though.
Right there, that last little bit.
Yeah.
Okay.
I was doing the same thing. Well, we made it to the bottom of the dam at least. We should make snow angels. No. No, he's not. Oh my God. Dude, you're gonna be freezing.
Come here, buddy, come here.
Oh my God. Here, yeah, let me. Oh, it's skin on me now. You should have brought your other jacket just for snow angels.
Yeah, that's all right.
Hey, hold on. Stop walking. You still got so much.
Ah, my damn.
You know what you look like with that toboggan on? You look like the robber from Home Alone. All right, you're good. Now my gloves are wet. You did it. Did you turn your traction off?
Yeah.
It worked.
I told you I could do it.
Wait, so what's up? Like, why did it not work before though? When you tried to do something like that?
I tried to do a burnout, and I think that is because I think it's just stability control.
Well, you fucking did it. You were close. You were close to me, but you did it. Hold up, it's my turn. Whee! Boys, we just left the dam and check it. There was ice that was rattling, and when I was driving, so I'm trying to get all this off now. Hopefully not scratch anything, but dude, this is so satisfying. Oh, this is just snow. This is ice. Is this bad for my paint?
Probably so.
Yeah, probably. All right, we'll try that. We're headed to the Dragon right now, and we're gonna go to the Parkway before it gets dark, because I don't know if you can tell, but the sun's about to go down, so we gotta book it to the Parkway before it gets dark. All right, boys. Well, we were trying to get photos in the snowy beautifulness, and Cody was like, "What if I pull over, try and get some pictures on the actual snow?" Well, we're dummies, because look what happened. So that's no bueno. He's actually stuck. I tried pushing him. Reverse forwards, didn't work. So what do we do now? It probably doesn't help that you have absolutely no tread on your tires.
Well, I have tread. Just not
If you would have kept going, you would have been fine because of your momentum. But since you stopped,
slowly creep.
yeah, we may not make it to the Parkway. It's getting late. It's getting dark.
I'll get in it. I'm gonna go forward. Try to see if you can shove the back.
No, because then we're going uphill. That's gonna be harder.
That shit's dirty. Jeep life, baby.
You got that Jeep fitment too.
Hey, fuck you.
What's up? Is it stuck or is it just here we go.
Yeah, it ain't. Man, I don't know what the f***'s going on with this thing.
Yeah, dude, no worries.
I mean, if you had a tow strap, I don't have.
Yeah,
a tow
they
strap.
have one, but it's way down the road. So
Oh, really?
Yeah. But yeah, dude, no worries. We can.
Yeah,
You have a tow
sorry,
strap,
man.
right? Or something to pull it out with?
in a different truck, but
Yeah,
I can
yeah.
go get it.
All right, so that nice man right there is going to get us a tow strap, because the guy earlier, the guy with was it a 4Runner, Land Cruiser, something like that?
Land Cruiser.
Yeah, Land Cruiser. The guy with the Land Cruiser had a winch, but the winch was not working. So we don't have any option but for that guy to go save us and get a tow strap. So luckily they came along. We tried to push it and we weren't recording, but we started pushing it back and we got it free. But then it just started sliding that way.
Yeah, I don't want the Z down there. It doesn't belong down there.
It doesn't belong down
the
there?
Z does not belong.
Yeah, it does.
down there. You think so?
Yeah, dude, insurance claim, easy.
Well,
Let's just
do
keep
it.
pushing it.
One more time.
Keep going. Oh no, you're done. Yeah, you're not going anywhere. It's not look. The car is already turned towards the hill, the cliff side. So if you go backwards, it's just gonna bring you farther down that way. A couple of dumbasses try and get photos, and this is what happens. Are you good? All right, go for it. Dude, y'all are amazing. Thank you so much. All right, we're good. You got to spin them off to make them clean?
Yeah.
Do it. We didn't even hit the Dragon today, but that's okay because we got some good content, had some fun, made some snow angels, got stuck. We did everything today except run the Dragon, but it was a successful day. Stay tuned for tomorrow. Consider liking and subscribing, and until next time, peace.